Good morning, students. In last class, we were studying lesson number 5 more on Microsoft Word. In that, we saw inserting clip art and pictures. Now, today we will see inserting word art, inserting shapes and symbols. Okay, so we will start from the inserting word art. Okay, for inserting a word art in your document, see, the word art feature of Word lets you insert a text in a various shape. Okay, the word art gallery includes various designs that can be used to create attractive text. Okay, your document will be look attractive, for that word art will help. So let's see the steps. First, go to the insert. See here, illustration box, and here text. So word art, click on the word art. Here different shapes you will able to see. The word art gallery, we will call word art gallery. Okay, then select a word art style. Okay, and the edit word art text dialog box appear. So whatever you write in this, it will look in that way only as you selected, right? Now we will edit it also. How? The format tab will appear. Okay, in that tab, here more options, word art styles, more options you can see. Insert word art. Okay, suppose I type this. Now from the format tab, I can select this. Okay, now you can fill the colors also. You can fill colors from here. Suppose this, you can select your favorite color from here, and you can give the outline also. Okay, so in that way you can do the inserting the word art. Now changing word art shape. In the change shape is used to select the different shapes displayed the word art text. Okay, where it is in the format toolbar. Okay, you can change the shape. Okay, now we will see, it's all about the word art. Now we will see inserting shapes. Again you have to go to the insert. Okay, insert. See, the shape in the word are divided into 6 main categories. Okay, lines, basic shape, block arrows, flowchart, callouts, stars and banners. Let's see. In the insert illustration box, shapes are here, right? So you can see the lines, basic shapes, arrows, flowchart, right? So if you want to select any shape, select the desired shape. Okay, in this way, go to the insert. Now shapes, select the shape. Okay, in this way you can insert the shape. Now go to the format tab, click on that. Now you can able to edit your shape. You can fill the color from here. You can give the outline, shape effect. you can give from the format tab, right? Now you can also adding text inside the shape. You can write also inside your shape. I have to you can write in the shape also, okay, in this way. Now this is about the inserting shapes. Now we will see inserting symbols. Word also allows you to insert some special symbols, okay. Now place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a symbol. Suppose here I want to insert a symbol, okay. Then click on the insert tab, click on the symbols, okay. Here you can able to see these kind of symbols. Choose an appropriate font. Suppose I choose this, okay. Then insert. Click on that and insert. So in this way here the symbol will get inserted, okay. From where we can go insert symbol. From here you can insert the symbol, okay. So in today's class we saw how to insert word art, shapes and symbols. So here we are finishing the chapter number 5, more on Microsoft Word. Thank you.